guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. I am so excited to bring you this video. This is my first ever collaboration. I am so excited and I feel so honoured. I feel like I've made it in the world of YouTube. This is a Desenio collaboration. Now anybody who has ever watched a YouTube video before will have seen a Desenio collaboration at some point, I am sure. They are well known for doing collaborations. I was so chuffed when they got in touch with me asking if they would be able to send me some artwork, whether I would put it on my walls and whether I could have a chat with you guys about it for a few minutes. Absolutely yes. So Desenio, if you don't know, are a sort of a Swedish Scandinavian brand. They are very unique in the artwork that they supply. They supply prints, they supply frames in all different colours, all different sizes. I am able to offer you a 25% discount code, which I will link in the description box below. It will be valid until the 12th of December at midnight. This video is due to go live on the 10th of December, so for 48 hours that code will be valid. It is only valid off prints, it is not valid off frames or personalised artwork. When they got in touch with me and I went into their website and had a look, I had an idea of what I wanted. And it literally took me 5 days to choose what I wanted. I've been very specific in my choices and I am so happy with them. Now you will notice from the video, when I go into the video, that I actually had to film it last night. The reason being the placement of these pieces that I've ordered is right opposite windows on every count, so it was just really difficult to get a good angle of them during the day and much easier to do it at night time. So I decided to combine it with a kind of tour of the house, only the downstairs because everybody was in bed. I was just about to go up to bed last night and thought, I know what I'll do. So I will very sort of briefly talk you through my decor for Christmas, and I will show you how I've used the pictures within that decor, how they match, how they fit in, the reasons that I chose them. So if this sounds like something that you are interested in, then please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not already a subscriber of my channel. I am nearly on 4,000 subscribers, which is a humongous achievement for little old me. And I will be doing a giveaway when I get to 4,000, so keep them peeled for that. So without further ado, I will get on with the video. I will come back at the end and we'll see how we got on. So this is my kitchen. I have filmed it, like I said, with the bigger lights on, and there at the end of the kitchen are the Desenio prints, which I absolutely love, and they fit in so well. I have tried to keep a very minimal theme this year. I have tried to keep to lots of natural greenery, lots of white, lots of wood, to bring the natural elements of Christmas in. I've been very inspired by Scandinavian pictures that I found on the internet, and I just adore this look. The huge big star there was from Home Bargain. My little felted mouse I picked up last year in St. Ives near to Christmas, and I absolutely love him. This was the third of the Desenio prints. Hangry explains why my son is always in the mood he is in. He gets very hangry, and I just loved that print. These are the Desenio prints closer. I love them. This is a real conversation starter. I wanted this to be a bit of a wow piece on the wall, and I think it is. I love this latte picture. I think the photographs together are really Hugo, and I love them. This is the Christmas tree, a wooden tree that I was bought last year, but as you will see, I actually made one that is next door, and it was really simple, and I just hung a few little pieces on there. My dresser, covered in fairy lights, packed with Emma Bridgewater, absolutely love it. And as you can see, there are just candles everywhere, lots of wood, lots of greenery, lots of fairy lights, very cozy, and we absolutely love it. I love this space. And here is my dresser, just filled with only a few festive touches. We've not gone over the top. To be fair, my house actually looks like a grotto most of the time. I have just added some fresh eucalyptus and some greenery, and I just love it, and I think it all complements itself really, really well. And I do love these artificial candles. I do think I've tried to show you underneath the counters without the lights on and with the lights on. I think I've tried a little bit of everything really. There you go, I did warn you. So yeah, I love the baskets, and lots of these pieces that you can see are actually thrifted. I have paid full price for very, very little in my kitchen, and I absolutely blooming love it. My sink, which has been hinged, there is cinnamon zaflora nestling in there with my dish rag in. Again, eucalyptus and candles, and it's all about texture, velvets and wood, and I absolutely love it. And my little Christmas fairy dangling there that was bought by my beautiful friend, and I am just so pleased. Moving into the hallway where I have hung the 4th print. I don't even believe myself when I say I'll be ready in 5 minutes. How could I not get this print? Anybody who knows me knows that that is me to a T. Moving into the living room, these are a chest of drawers that I bought secondhand off a friend with my homemade winter fragranced potpourri. I made it myself and just poured potpourri oil over the top. My eucalyptus wreath with my little fairy sitting on top of the door that I bought in a secondhand market. Moving on to the fireplace, I absolutely love it. It is eucalyptus stems that I have basically made into a garland, so after Christmas they'll go back into a vase as stems again, with my Emma Bridgewater lanterns either side, my White Company Christmas starlights that I bought last year in the sale, along with my White Company paper garland which I bought last year in the sale. I've added in pink and white baubles just to make it look a little bit cozier, and just to bring in elements from the Christmas tree and also elements from the cushions over on the sofa which are pale pink. And I just think the whole look together is so cozy. I am aware that the mouse is bigger than the trees. You wouldn't want to come face to face with that if it was real life. And then this is the staircase. I love it. Some bunting, another star from Home Bargain, a little wreath. Everything is just very natural and very calming and very hygge. The doorway to our pantry, I bloody love that room. It's like Aladdin's cave. And I am so happy with everything. We've had lots of new cushions from IKEA over the summer, and I am really pleased with how they are working, and I'm just loving how the living room is looking at the minute. There is the tree that I made myself from twigs last year, the table that I got from a second-hand shop, the candle was from a thrift store. And this is the pièce de résistance. This is our beautiful Christmas tree with my star topper. That is just one of the hanging stars from Home Bargain. I've just topped it on the top. And on the tree is just lots of lovely glass baubles and white baubles and pale pink. We've moved the shades downstairs now, so I just wanted to bring in some of the navy elements from the cushions. Little bit more of a close-up of the tree. I stopped recording on the tree when I was recording it last time because my son appears at the window and I nearly pooed my pants. This is my homemade tree skirt. It is just a basket that I've turned upside down, chopped the bottom off and cut up the back and sort of wrapped it around the bottom of the tree and saved myself £45 from the White Company. So I love these baubles. The clear ones are from the White Company and the ones with the Christmas houses are from a charity shop. All of the baubles on here, none of them are new. They're all quite old, but I just love them and they've all got memories for me. And I'm so happy with the way the tree looks. It was £22 from B&Q. It is the smallest cut tree that they do. Just a little close-up on the cushions. The blue and the spot cushions are IKEA. All the other cushions are thrifted. And I love the textures of them. I love how luxurious they are. I'm so happy with the colours. I think everything complements itself really well. The mustards, the golds, the pinks. I'm just so happy with the way that the room looks right now. I'm just really pleased with it. And there's just another little look at the fireplace. I'm sure you can see a little bit of my hand in the mirror. And I'm just really pleased. And what I wanted to do was just to show you how the room looks at night time, because obviously we lose light at 4 p.m. now here in the UK, so this is what I see most of the time. and I just think it is so cozy and so calming, and it's just a space where people are able to relax and kick back and just enjoy the atmosphere of the room and the Christmas smells and the Christmas sounds, and I just absolutely love it. And then I've brought you back into the kitchen. Look at those prints, they are just amazing. I love them. And again, it's just to show you what the kitchen looks like when there is no big lights on and it is basically lit by lamplight and fairy light, and I absolutely love it. It is just beautiful. And it's just so calm and so cozy. Lots of glass elements, lots of candles, lots of white. I'm so pleased with how this room looks. I don't think it needs anything else. You may be wrong. I am thinking maybe some little wreaths on the kitchen doors, but who knows. So that was my Desenio collaboration Christmas house tour. I hope you really enjoyed it. I have tried as much as possible to keep the house very simple. I have taken lots of inspiration from Scandinavia, from Pinterest, from the White Company catalogue, but I've tried to kind of do it on my budget and the way that I wanted it to look. So I hope that you have found a little tidbit of inspiration from my video. Like I say, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the Desenio links down below. I will link their Instagram account, I will link their website. Go and have a look for inspiration, for ideas. You will not be disappointed, I promise. And don't forget to use the discount code up to 25% off. Well, you will get 25% off up to midnight on the 12th of December. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch up with you really soon. So take care, lots of love. Bye.